Lula, how are you? I hope you're doing great. Okay, we'll sing for you now, but just only later, okay? Because I want to sleep now. I'm too much tired. I'm from outside, okay? How do I get through one night without you? If I have to live without you, what kind of life would that be? And I need you in my heart and you to hold. You're my world, my heart, my soul. If you ever leave, baby, you would take away everything. You're in my life. And tell me now, how do I live without you? I want to know, how do I live without you? If you ever go, how do I ever survive? How do I, oh how do I live? Tama na dahil.